guys, it's Tiffany from Play Live Repeat, and today I'm going to show you what we got opening day from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Okay, the only thing that was actually from Galaxy's Edge was the commemorative pin, and it says landing. This was the commemorative pin that they sold the day that it opened, August 29th, 2019. It was $15.99. Still haven't removed it from the backing card, and I probably won't. It'll probably just go with our pin collection. And then, which was really awesome, put this back on, we got these droids, these buildable droids. Now, we had an appointment to build our droid at the Droid Depot, but it was so late at night and we were leaving the next day, driving back home. So we just said, forget it. We're not going to spend $150 on a droid. So we actually opted for these in Hollywood Studios, not in Galaxy's Edge, but in, you know, the land outside, the actual home of Galaxy's Edge. These are really awesome. So you could take them apart, and there are like little trays that you could pull your droid pieces from, and you can get any pieces that you want, and you get all of their parts. But the kicker is you get these little choices for little hats, which I think are so cute. And of course, I had to choose Fantasia Mickey.
Then we have this Mickey ears hat with the Jedi Order symbol on it.
So you could mix and match up your droid's pieces. So we built our own, and then we took them home. And they had all different hats to choose from. I really wanted to get the Goofy hat, but these things were like $9.99 each, and I'm like, I'm not spending any more money here. It's our last day, and we were just like broke at that point. This is the actual receipt. Let's see how much they were. 12. They were, oh, it was 2 at $12.95 each. Sorry. Oh my gosh. And what's cool is that you get your own like blister card. You get 2 of them, or 1 of each, and then on the back are all of these little labeled stickers, and you could make your own like hangable droid. How cool is that? So next time you're in Walt Disney World or Disneyland, opt for one of these guys and save your cash, because these are really super cute. Hope you guys are having a happy 4th. The 4th be with you. Bye.